Hello everyone, this is Dave and welcome to our first lesson in our iPhone Basics unit. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the lock screen, which is the first screen you see when using your phone. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone and access it. You're also going to know a cool trick about how to access your camera without unlocking your iPhone. Get your iPhone ready in hand because we're going to be using it, and let's begin. The first thing you'll see is that the lock screen shows you some information. If we look, we can see the date and time at the upper center of the screen, and at the bottom, we can see a camera icon and a flashlight icon. What we're going to learn is how to reach this screen. The reason is that this screen leads us to anything else we want to do with the iPhone, so it's a bit like a gate. There are three simple ways to reach this screen: lifting your phone, tapping the screen, and pressing the button. The first option is simply lifting your phone. The iPhone can sense when it's being shifted upwards, and when it does, it turns the screen on. The second way is just tapping the screen. The iPhone touch screen can sense your touch even when it's off. The third way is simply pressing the on-off exterior button. Let's try this now. Pick up your iPhone and see if you can easily get to your unlock screen. Did it work? Now that we know there are three ways to reach the unlock screen, let's learn how to unlock the iPhone. There are two ways to unlock the iPhone: using Face ID and passcode. Some of you might not have Face ID set up and will only be able to use the passcode. Let's see how each one works. Face ID is simple to use. All you need to do is wake up your iPhone and look at it. You can notice the lock at the top of the screen opens up. Once the lock icon changes to be unlocked, swipe up from the bottom upwards. Even if the lock screen doesn't work, swiping the screen up should tell the iPhone that someone is trying to open it, and it will ask you to insert a passcode, which we will cover now. The second way is a passcode. When you set up your iPhone, you are required to choose a passcode, so this option is available to everyone. This is also the only way someone who isn't you can open your iPhone, which is helpful, for instance, when driving. The iPhone expects you to use Face ID, so the passcode option isn't always the first option. If you want to use the passcode, all you need to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen and enter your passcode. Now it's our turn to unlock our phones. Try and unlock your phone with either Face ID or passcode. Did you succeed? Let us know in the comments. For now, let's recap. We can access the unlock screen by raising, tapping, and pressing the on-off button. We can unlock the screen by using Face ID or a passcode. And that's all we need to know. Except, I do owe you a camera trick after all. Sometimes you want to take a picture, but by the time you open the iPhone and select the camera, the moment has passed. That's why the iPhone allows you to quickly access the camera by either swiping left from the lock screen or pressing the camera icon for a few seconds on the bottom left. Great job! In this lesson, we learned how to access the unlock screen on our iPhone and how to open the iPhone. In the next lesson, we're going to go over the home screen and learn what all the icons on the top of our screen are trying to tell us. See you soon!